this last desperate attempt to impress 13-year-olds meant that the Suzuki's tyre burst first, even before the blades. This is Jimmy trying to make it 3 bikes in a row. With 6 successful passes up and down the mountain and not a mechanical or human casualty in sight, the boys decide it's time to head into Cannes to celebrate.
Alors j'ai relevé mon numéro, vous irez au commissariat de police de Cannes. Okay? Police.
As you can see, they're terrified by this plainclothes bollocking. Can you imagine doing this in Brighton? Yeah, so can we. That's what you call rear wheel steering.
Please, let's go!
And so ends another afternoon in the company of FastBikes.
Are we caught?
A change of clothes and motorbikes though, and the boys are at it again. This burnout resulting in being pelted with ice cubes. And as for this one, well, I'm pretty sure this is not the smell of rubber she had in mind. Unfortunately, I was still trying to focus on her face, while the goods were being revealed elsewhere.
She's coming over.
Oh my god, she's got a dick.
She's got a dick? She's got a dick? Are you serious?
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Finally, Jimmy got bored of playing with us lot and disappeared in search of, well, we're not quite sure what. Just intimidating anyone and everyone.
All right. Little, hey. Yeah? All right. It's the little one. Can get a wheelie, dude.
Though one or two did actually manage to give him the slip. Here's Jim carving his name on the Cannes catwalk, just like they do in Beverly Hills. Finally, so enamoured was Jim with the blade that he decided to steal it permanently, taking advantage of my dreams to pilfer away the key for keeps. Seems like he finally found mine, and at the same time lost his own shit.
Oh, maybe not. All right. Little, hey, bitch, yeah? All right. It's the little one? Like this? Huh? Huh? I think not. He's too old. Alrighty. Alrighty then, look at this. A match made in heaven. Hey, bitches. Oh yes. There's some of those sailor fucks off that ship. Hey bitches, how you doing? You're off the boat, right? American? Yeah? All right. Excusez-moi? You ain't on the boat. It's le casque, huh? La tête, huh? It's cool. Check out my bullshit. Check this out.
Check this out. They must think Jimmy's come to give himself up.
C'est possible pour direction. Pour le brothel. The House of Sin.
You want to go where? L'avocat?
Ladies, you know, titties and favors, etc. Bitches.
Bord de mer.
Oui. As long as they don't have dicks is okay. because the other one had the. Is c'est bon?
But, I don't know. I don't understand what you say.
So c'est this way, de la mer.
Ah, pour la mer.
Ouais.
You want to take the road near the sea?
Oh oui, yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
C'est bon?
This?
C'est
Oh,
bon.
yeah, la Boca, après
bon.
le Trellas.
Okay,
You have a lot of
ça va.
bikes in the Trellas.
Oh, oui,
because
oui.
You are, because
Of the roads.
Okay.
Do you excusez-moi pour asking, do you and your friends, amis, do you do wheelies on your bikes?
Willis?
Wheelies,
With this?
oui,
No,
is
no, we
possible?
can't. No, we can't make this because the bike.
Is
Ça
shit?
va? The bike is fat. Fun to
Oui.
with
So
this you can. With this you can't.
it's good. What about the scooter? The scooter. Does this one is good?
This? No.
Oui.
No.
No?
Non. 80 cm3.
Oh oui. Oh. Never mind, hein? Ok. Très bien, monsieur.
De rien.
Bonjour. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Merci.
Merci bien.
De rien.
Merci. Take care now. Bye bye now. Oh, so beautiful, huh? Hey, good one, man. Hey! You want to race, huh? You want to race? You and me, bro, huh? Ooh, you and me, I'll take you on any fucking day of the week and we race and I'll kick your ass on that piece of shit. Huh? It's good? C'est bon? C'est bon? Wheelie? Huh? Okay. A very cowardly race, the French. Messieurs, c'est possible pour the rest of the lac? C'est... Oui. Excusez-moi. Mon ami ask me if c'est possible pour une the race.
You speak English? No. You speak.
Yes. No.
Alors, votre ami?
C'est racing.
Racing?
Oui.
Je comprends pas. Quelle langue vous parlez quoi? De quoi il parle?
Monsieur, the racing.
Je cherche un circuit. Un circuit?
Oui.
Ici?
Oui, pour.
Karting?
Non, pour le moto.
La moto?
Oui.
Cannes, non.
Non?
Il n'y a pas de racing, Cannes.
Oui.
Le Castellet.
Merci. Hip, motherfuckers. Merci, monsieur. Merci. Alright. Hello. Bonjour, madame. Oh, come back. Madame, c'est possible pour une wheelie pour le caméra? Oh, you want to race, huh? plaît, little one. Please, please. S'il vous plaît. The little one. No?
Avant ou arrière?
Oui, so whatever. Oh, it's good. It's good. You can do. J'ai regardé. All right, here we go. Game on, my son. Game on, my son. Stoppy. No. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Woo! 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 Oh, très bon, monsieur, très bon, très bon. Oh, merci bien, merci bien, merci bien. God bless your ass, motherfucker. All right. Yes. Woo! Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, madame. We went for some Essen coupons. All right. Yeah, my man. Woo! Give me 5. All right. Yes. Woo! Yes. Monsieur, you are a god among mopeds. Bitch, back off. Oh, kick your ass. Ah, yes. Au revoir, monsieur. Indestructible on the road, invincible in the courts. Let's go.
Finally, however, that old foreigner abroad stuff worked a treat, particularly when they realised Jimmy's licence only entitled him to drive seated lawnmowers and electric pedal cycles, and his case was transferred to a British court.
Welcome. Let me summarize. So, look smart, be polite, be respectful, remorseful.
Believe it or not, they actually fell for his sob story, commuting his sentence to another half day's riding with Rob Frost at Leluc, a fate quite frankly worse than any ban, imprisonment or even death itself.
I'm a totter. They totted up my points.
How many points do you have in your license?
I had 3 on one and 6 on the other. That makes 9. Now I have 15 points, not licenses. Excellent result. I think result for everyone. Thank you.